But you're here for another reason today, or here for another reason tonight. Right, you're gonna get a chance to witness Jennifer and myself getting married. I know it's a surprise to everybody, but I appreciate everybody being out here. And like I said, we want to keep a surprise as many people as possible. Feel like it's something that we want to do, and there's no doubt nobody I'd rather spend my life with than this girl right here beside me. So I appreciate everybody being out here. But definitely thankful for all my family, all my friends, and of course Jennifer and her family and friends. Of course, Jim and Jan for sharing this moment with us, letting us have it out here together, and the effort they put in with Robin and Kelly and everybody putting the stuff together to get it together for us. But we do appreciate everybody. But I know it's a surprise, but hey, there's no time like the moment right now to live in it. So we're going to live in it. So you get to work.
Hey, do this.
Let's do this.
Say I do.
I think she already has.
I'm going downhill. I'm drunk. I gotta take these shoes off. I'm gonna kill myself.
I told you, Mom, you got to show for your people.
Crystal made it.
Okay, talk loud.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are gathered here today in the presence of family and friends to celebrate the power of love, to give recognition to its worth, and to add our best wishes to the bond that will unite Jean Bird and Jennifer Sims in legal matrimony. Jean and Jennifer, the vows that you're about to exchange serves as the verbal representation of the eternal love you have promised to one another. For it is not the words that you speak today that unite you two as one, but the eternal love and commitment you now invest in each other. Jean, you may now take this time to read your vows and dedication to Jennifer.
Jennifer, the first thing I want to thank you for holding on to a 25-year crush. It goes back to high school. Definitely, I'm glad you held on to it. I'm glad we got the chance to pretend. There's nobody else I'd rather spend my life with. You're definitely my today, my tomorrow, and my forever. And there is nothing I'd rather do than walk through this life with you by my side. I look forward to spending every moment with you, through the bad, through the good, through the tears, through the happiness, everything that we went through these past year and a half or so. But I do appreciate everything you do. I'm honored to have you as my wife and bring you to my life and the journey we're about to take the rest of our life. I look forward to it. Nobody else I'd rather do it with. And I have no second thoughts whatsoever that you are my forever in my life.
And Jennifer, you may now take this time to dedicate your vows to Jean.
I don't know mine. I will say that I'm super excited to be here. Our relationship is unique, just like what we're doing here, and I'm so excited about our future. And over those 25 years, I always knew that you'd be an amazing man, and I am proud of the man that you are. And I'm just so excited that we get to be together. I've loved you forever. I always will. I promise that I'm going to take care of you in the good times and in the bad. I love you forever.
Do you, Jean, take Jennifer to be your lawfully wedded wife, to have and to hold, in sickness and in health, in good times and bad, or richer or poorer, keeping yourself unto her until death do you part?
I do.
And do you, Jennifer, take Jean to be your lawfully wedded husband, to have and to hold, in sickness and in health, in good times and bad, or richer or poorer, keeping yourself unto him until death do you part. By placing these rings on each other's hand, you pledge eternal love to one another forever. A ring is a never-ending circle which represents infinite love. Jean, as you place your ring on Jennifer's hand, please repeat after me. You are essential to my life.
You are essential to my life.
You are the one I love.
You are the one I love.
best friend.
my best friend.
I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a symbol of our infinite love
as a symbol of our infinite love.
for today,
Today,
tomorrow,
tomorrow,
and all the days to come.
and all the days to come.
Wear it as a sign
Wear it as a sign
of what we have promised today,
of what we have promised today.
and know that my love is always present,
Know that my love is always present,
even when I'm away.
even when I'm away.
Jennifer, as you place your ring on Jean's hand, please repeat after me. You are essential to my life.
You are essential to my life.
You are the one I love,
You are the one I love,
my best friend.
my best friend.
I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a symbol of our infinite love
as a symbol of our infinite love
for today,
for today,
tomorrow,
tomorrow,
and all the days to come.
and all the days to come.
Wear it as a sign
Wear it as a sign
of what we have promised today,
of what we have promised today,
and know that my love is always present, even when I'm away. By the power vested in me by the state of South Carolina and American Marriage Ministries, it is my honor and my privilege to now officially pronounce Jean Bird and Jennifer Sims as legally wedded husband and wife. Mr. Bird, you may now kiss your bride.